Namaste children. In this video we are going to learn a new method of multiplication. Okay, normally how you will do the multiplication? Suppose see this sum, triple digit into double digit. So how you will do? First you will multiply with 6, then you will multiply with 3, then you will use to add. Okay, but here we are going to learn a new method, very interesting and very easy also. Let us start. See, 243 into 36. Okay, first what we have to multiply? Always used to start from right hand side, but now we are going to start from left hand side. Okay, let us see how. First multiply these two. Okay, first multiply with left hand side. Okay, 3 3's 9. So here you should get double digit number, but after multiplying here we are getting single digit. So we have to add 0 before that. So 3's are 9. Instead of writing 9, write 0 9. Okay, 0 9. Next, multiply 3 with 4. 3 4's are 12. Multiply 3 with 4. 3 4's are 12. So, where we have to write 12? See, don't write below first digit. Start writing from second digit. 12. See, 1, 2. Like this, we have to write. Understood? Next, multiply 3 with 2. 3 2's are 6. So, again here 6 is single digit number. So, how you write 6? Write 0 6. 0 6. Again leave this digit and write here. Now understood this part everyone? See, once again explaining. First start from left hand side. First multiply with left hand side. 3 3's 9. 9 is a single digit number. So write it as 0 9. Next multiply with 4. 3 4's are 12. While writing, please be careful. Write like this 12. Leave the first digit. Don't write anything here. Next, multiply with 2. 3 2's are 6. 3 2's are 6. So write 0 6. Now, we have to multiply with 6. Okay? So, start multiplying with 6. 6 3's are 18. See, where we have to write 18, see carefully. Here you are having 9. Start writing here. Okay? Below 9, write 1 and write 8. 18. Like this we have to write. Okay? Next, multiply 6 with 4. 6 4's are 24. 6 4's are 24. So, where we have to write 24? Start writing from here, below 2. 24. Okay. Next, multiply with 2. 6 2's are 12. 6 2's are 12. So, write from here. 1, 2. Like this. Understood everyone how to write the numbers? Now we have to add this. See, 8, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So carry 1 here and write 4. Next, 6, 7. Next, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8. So what is the answer? 8,748. Okay, if you do in this method, you won't do mistakes. Why I am explaining this method means, suppose if you multiply with 3 and 6, here you will get carryovers. Like this you will write the carryovers. Sometimes what will happen? You will forget to add that carryovers. So you will get wrong answer. If you do in this method, here you don't have any carryovers. Okay, we are writing all numbers here only. So here you won't get any mistakes. Let us see one more example. 62,841 into 325. Let us see how to do this multiplication. First, always we have to start from left hand side. So what is here? 3. So let us multiply with 3. So 3 ones are 3. So how we have to write 3? 0, 3. Why? Because here 3 is a single digit number. 3 is a single digit number. Now multiply with 4. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. So write here 12. Like this. Now multiply with 8. 3 eights are 24. So how we have to write 24? Write here 2, 4. Next multiply with 2. 3 twos are 6. So write 0, 6. So after multiplying, if you are getting single digit number, put 0 before that. Okay? See. Next. 3 6 are 80. So write 1, 8. So like this diagonally we have to write the answers. Next multiply with 2. 2 ones are 2. It is a single digit number. So put 0 before that. Right? 0, 2. We have to write from here. 0, 2. Start from below 3. Okay? Next multiply with 4. 2 fours are 8. Again 8 is a single digit number. So write it as 0, 8. Next 2 eights are 16. So write 16 like this. Next 2 twos are 4. So write 0, 4. Next 2 6 are 12. So write here 12. Understood? Now multiply with 5. 5 ones are 5. So write like this. 0, 5. Next 5 fours are 20. So write 20 like this. Next 5 eights are 40. So write 40 here. Next 5 twos are 10. So write 10 like this. Next 5 6 are 30. So write 30 here. Now we have to add 5, here 2, here 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Write 1 here and write 3. Next 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Write 1 here and write 3. Next 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Next 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Write 1 here and 4. Next 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10. Next 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the answer? 2,4,23,325. Understood, children, how to do multiplication in this method? I hope you have understood this method. Now, in your HW, you can write your own numbers and try to do multiplications in this way so that you can increase the speed. Okay, children? Thank you.